Hey there, let me ask you something. Have you ever been so into something that you just can't stop? Like literally? Maybe it's scrolling through TikTok at 2 a.m. when you have work tomorrow, or eating one more chip even though the bag is clearly empty? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a sneaky little gremlin in your brain that loves turning just one more into, uh-oh, I've got a problem. Buckle up, folks. Today, we're diving into the wild world of addiction. Okay, first off, addiction isn't just doing something a lot. Nope. It's more like your brain's playlist got stuck on repeat. Imagine your favorite song or a B-room, but it's been playing for 72 hours straight and you're out of batteries. That's addiction. It's when your brain goes, hey, this thing feels good. Let's do it forever. Even when your wallet, your health, or your pet goldfish is screaming, stop. Let's break it down. Say you love video games. Cool. But when gaming starts eating into your sleep, your job, or your ability to remember what sunlight looks like, that's the addiction gremlin taking the wheel. Same with stuff like social media, shopping, or even that third cup of coffee that turns you into a jittery espresso tornado. Here's the sciencey part. Don't worry, no lab coats required. Your brain has a reward system. When you do something fun like eating chocolate or winning a game, it releases dopamine chemical. But addiction hijacks this system. It's like your brain starts demanding dopamine 24/7, like a toddler who just discovered candy. More. Now. Throw a tantrum if you don't. Here's the kicker. Addiction isn't about weakness. Nope. It's your brain's wiring getting a little creative. Think of it like a shortcut. Oh, feeling sad? Eat this cake. Lonely? Scroll Instagram? Bored? Online shop until your bank account cries. It's a quick fix, but oops. Now your brain forgets how to be happy without that thing. Let's talk why. Why do some people get addicted and others don't? Well, it's like getting a cold. Some folks have superhero immune systems, others sneeze at a breeze. Genetics, stress, trauma, they all play a role. Maybe you started smoking to cope with stress or gambling to feel excitement. But over time, the thing that helps starts hurting. It's like using a flamethrower to light a candle. Effective? Sure. Safe? Absolutely not. Now, how do you know if it's a habit or an addiction? Habits are like autopilot, brushing your teeth, tying your shoes. Addictions? They're autopilot on a rocket ship to Mars. You keep doing the thing even when it ruins relationships, jobs, or your dignity. Ever called in sick to work because you stayed up gaming? Yeah, that's the rocket ship. But here's the good news, brains are fixable. Yep, they're like Play Doh. With time, support, and maybe some therapy, you can rewire that dopamine demand. It's not easy. Think teaching a cat to fetch levels of hard, but it's possible. Step one, admitting the problem. Step two, asking for help. No shame in it. Even superheroes need sidekicks. Oh, and don't fall for the I can quit anytime lie. That's the addiction gremlin doing stand up comedy in your head. Real talk? Replace the bad stuff with good stuff? Love gambling? Try chess. Hooked on caffeine? Herbal tea, baby. It's about filling the void, not just fighting it. Remember, addiction isn't a life sentence, it's a detour. And detours have maps, support groups, therapists, friends. They're your GPS. So if you or someone you love is stuck on repeat, reach out. And hey, if all else fails, adopt a cactus. Taking care of something prickly might just remind you to be kind to yourself too.